ZBrush is a powerful digital sculpting tool used for creating 3D models, and there are several ways to make money using it. Here's how. Freelance 3D modeling. Offer custom 3D modeling services for clients in industries like gaming, movies, and product design. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer to find clients needing 3D assets. Specialize in areas like character modeling. Create your design or toy prototypes for higher demand. Sell 3D models. Create and sell ready-made 3D models on marketplaces like CG Trader, ArtStation, and Sketchfab. Focus on high-demand items like game assets, props, figurines, and digital collectibles. 3D printing designs. Design models for 3D printing, such as miniatures, jewelry, or custom prototypes. Sell your designs on platforms like Etsy, My Mini Factory, and Coles 3D. Teaching and tutorials. Create and sell ZBrush tutorials on platforms like Udemy or Gumroad. Start a YouTube channel to earn from ad revenue while sharing modeling tips. Collaborate with studios. Reach out to animation and gaming studios for contract work on major projects. Build a strong portfolio to showcase your expertise and attract clients.